Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here, and welcome. As you can see, today I am going to announce the winner of this giveaway. Let me see if I can get this in better frame because the box is so large with so much stuff in it that even with a new light hard box here, it just won't fit everything. It's just there's so much stuff here. It's just a lot of stuff. So we're gonna pick the winner for that, and let me see if I can give you a better look here. This is all the stuff that's going out today right now. Let me see if you can get the basic gist of things here, but that's what's going out in that box, and we're gonna pick the winner right now, and then the real giveaway is gonna start, the real 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So all those videos that you've been watching and commenting on and sharing, this is where the payoff is gonna be. It's gonna be the payoff, I hope, anyway, for you guys, because I appreciate everything you guys have done, and it's truly been a blast. I've really had a great time doing it. Just so you know, there are 3 other random winners that I chose over the last 3 days. And what I did was I went through the shared comments that everybody did on Facebook, on Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, anywhere that I could find a LegalLockPicker tag, or that I saw in a lockpicking group, or r/lockpicking, or anything like that. And then I picked 3 people out. The first person was Lowell Forbes, and the reason why I picked him was because someone was giving him a hard time in a Facebook share, and they said he was wasting his time or something like that. And it was the first share that I saw, so he got that one, and that's well deserved. The second one, what was his name? I don't know his name, but I did post it on Twitter. And if you want to catch up on those things, I usually post them on Twitter at LegalLockPicker. So make sure you go check that out, the LegalLockPicker on Twitter. I do a whole lot more giveaways, just stuff that I don't put on YouTube. And then the third person that I picked, they were just random locks. They were a Squire, a pack lock, and then I think it was one more. I'll have to double check, but it was one more lock. But the only person I haven't sent an email to was Lowell Forbes app, because he'll know to get a hold of me after he sees this video. So this is going to be for the big box of stuff that you see right behind me. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick the YouTube comments from that, and then I'm gonna pick 2 names. So, okay, there's 103 unique comments, and that takes off mine and doubles and dupes and stuff like that. And the first person I pick, if I go on here and I don't see that they shared it in some way, what I am going to do is go to the second person. I'm going to pick them, and they can show me, and that'll be it. You'll get that stuff. And then the 1,000 giveaway starts. I'm only 20 or 25 people away from that, so I'm going to do it now, and then we'll be able to get back to business. So, all right, we're 3:46 into this. Get the comments, start the raffle. So good luck, everybody. It's great. I love doing this. I really do. Okay, so it's BT Lockpick Learner. He said, "Wow, I'm new to the sport and just started my own channel. I could really use some new locks and picks. Congrats, bud." Thanks a lot, BT Lockpick Learner. I always appreciate these things. I just love that other people enjoy this as much as I do, because I truly do have fun making these, and it's just a blast to learn new stuff. And it's awesome to meet people along the way. I mean, that's life, right? So I'm going to pick another winner right now. It's going to be the same comments from that video. That way, if I don't see his share, then number 2 will win. So, Barry Kelly. "Hello, just found your channel, recommended by Helpfullockpicker. So glad. Really good and very informative. Well done. All the best for the future." So if both of you guys could send me a link to your what you shared on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, That way I can check them out, and then I'll get that stuff off to you. So yeah, there's that. So thanks for that. I really appreciate it, guys. Very kind. Now for the good stuff. If I can get this freaking stuff out of here. Oh man. Ugh, too much stuff. Alright, so this is for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. There are more things to it. However, I wanted to get this stuff out in the open right away. The reason why is because I have a multi-pick jackknife right here. So this is the first prize, first place prize, I should say. It comes with all the extensions here. This was the platinum version. If you go on the multi-pick website under their jackknife, you can see that I referred to this tool as, I think it was the Ferrari of lockpicks, of lockpick jackknives, after my extensive review series. Oh God, I like laughing at my own stuff. Anyway, this is going to be the first item. This, and then all the stuff that comes with it. We have Cutaway Locks that should help you improve your skills, and they're also great for demonstration as well. So cutaways are such a great way to improve and figure out how the mechanics of the locks work. There's also this cross lock here. You can take it or leave it, whatever you want to do there. There's also an Ilko lock, brand new. All this stuff is brand new, by the way, except this because I took it out of the box. Even the jackknife is brand new. I have a Brinks lock here. I only took it out for demonstration purposes. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the Chateau disc lock. Hang on one second. Yes, here we go. We've got one of those we're gonna put in. There are a couple of other things. I just have to find them. I'm gonna put some quick set deadbolts in there. I'm gonna put some of these are Schlage Locks right here. These are really cool because they help you learn and they help your skill grow. And plus, you can pull this out of the back here, and you can have yourself your own little lock cylinder, and you can change that up any direction you'd like. I think what I'm also going to do is throw away some other locks to go with it. And then the second prize for this one here. So this is going to be the first one for today's giveaway. That's going to be the multi-pick, the Chateau disc lock, the Brinks, the Kingsman, the Cutaway, the Ilko. And the second prize winner, remember, for the second prize here, it's going to be a comment that I'm picking in the last 2 weeks when we started the giveaway stuff. So I'm going to go through those comments and I'm going to pick those out. And you're going to get a Lockpick World Special. You're going to get the Dangerfield Praxis Kit and a few other items from my main supplier over here for multi-pick and Southord stuff is usually from Lockpick World. You know, I basically live off their stuff because the proximity to get the tools there, it's just been really helpful for me, and I appreciate that. Remember, we don't do these channels by ourselves. We get a lot of help from people. People in our Facebook groups, people who help us along the way, like Helpfullockpicker. I'm glad he's back. UK Lockpickers from over the pond there. He's helped me learn lever lock picking. I'm picking up along the way, locks to pick. He's been super helpful, and just everybody really helps each other out, and that's what I hope to accomplish with my channel in the future. Guys, thank you so much for your help and support, and good luck on the giveaway here. Don't forget to comment and share this video because I will be checking. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can see who wins this next lot. Plus, you'll get to see new content when it comes out. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Good luck. Thank you so much. 1,000, baby.